So let us start our discussion ulit of the problems that I have prepared in here. So for diesel cycle, I have 3 problems left. So let's start with this one. So at the beginning of the compression process in an ideal diesel cycle, the pressure is at 15 psia. The temperature is at 70 degrees Fahrenheit and the volume is at 6.54 cubic feet. So meron tayong P1, 15 psia. Meron tayong temperature 1 that is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus na natin ang 460 para maging 530. Laging absolute natin siya. And then volume that is 6.54 cubic feet. Ayan. Meron na tayong P1. So the compression ratio of the cycle is 15. You have given there RK is 15. Mas mataas nga talaga siya pagdating ng diesel kaysa sa auto. The heat supplied is halos lahat binibigay na 188 BTU. At the end of the compression, so the pressure is at 665 psia and the temperature is end of compression, ibig sabihin 0.2. So T2 is equal to 1,108 degrees Fahrenheit. And then at the end of the compression process, the pressure is at 665 psi. Degree feet tuloy oh. Degree Fahrenheit. Using constant specific heat, you calculate the following. The maximum temperature in the cycle, the temperature at the end of the expansion process, heat rejected, the network of the cycle, and then the thermal efficiency. So let us solve the problem. So V2 na lang ang kulang. Kasi meron na tayong V1 and V2. So P1, P1, T1, and V1 meron na yan. Sa point 2, meron na tayong P2 and then T2. So, isa-isay na natin. So, V2 is equal to V1 divided by RK. So, V1 natin is 6.54 feet cube per 15 divided by 15. So, V2 is equal to 6.54 divided by 15. The answer is 0.436 feet cube. That is B2. Tapos, yung P2, that is equal to P3. That is equal to 665 psia. Where at process 2 to 3, meron tayong QA. 188 BTU. Given. Okay. Meron pa tayong masosolve. Sa P1, V1, and T1, definitely meron dyang given na mass. So, M is equal to P1, V1 divided by RT1. So, M is equal to P1 is 15 pound per inch squared multiplied to B1, 6.54 feet cube. Tapos, divide natin ng 53.34 pound feet per pound degree Rankine multiplied to 530 degrees Rankine. May matitirang feet squared. Okay. Multiply na natin itong taas ng conversion factor 144 inch squared per 1 foot squared. Then we cancel all the same units na meron tayo dyan para matira is pound lang. So, inch squared, feet cube, feet squared, inch squared, feet na natira, pound, pound. Tapos, degree Rankine, degree Rankine. Ang natira lang is pound. So, the mass you have for the system, may 15 multiply to 6.54 times 144 divided by 53.34 times 530. 70 plus ano yan 460. The answer is 0.4997 pounds. That is the mass. Okay, ano pang hahanapin natin dyan? Meron tayong T2, V2, P3. Okay, hindi natin alam. Process 2 to 3. Constant pressure to. So, V3 divided by V2 is equal to T3 over T2. Wala tayong V3, wala tayong T3. Meron tayong V2 and then T2. Meron tayong QA. So, QA is equal to MCP T3 minus T2. Meron tayong MCP, T3 wala tayo, may QA tayo, meron tayong T2. So, let us solve for T3. T3 is equal to QA divided by MCP ng air plus T2. So, T3 is equal to QA 188 BTU divided by M, which is 0.4997 pound, then multiply to CP of air, that is 0.24 BTU per pound degree Rankine, plus T2, which is 1108 degrees Fahrenheit, 1108 plus 460 degrees Rankine. Ayan. So, T3 will be 188 divided by 0.4997. Tatlong na yan. Times 0.24. Add to 1108 plus 460. The answer is T3. 3135.61 degrees Rankine. That is the maximum temperature of the cycle. So, check na natin to. Ano susunod? The temperature at the end of the expansion process. So, 4. Masolve natin si V3. V3 is equal to T3, T2, T3 divided by T2 equal to multiply to V2. So, T3 is 3135.61 degrees Rankine divided by T2, 1108 plus 460 degrees Rankine. Multiply to V2, which is 0.436. Tama ba? Yan, 436 cubic feet. Okay. So, what will be the answer? 3135.61 divided by 1108 plus 460. Multiply to 0.436. The answer is 0.873. cubic foot. So, P3 is equal to P2. Alagay ba dyan? Ayan. At the end of the expansion process, 3 to 4, isentropic siya. Expansion. So, T3 divided by T4 is equal to P3 over P4 raised to K minus 1 over K equal to V4 over V3 raised to K minus 1. Oh, V4 is equal to V1. So, RE is equal to V1 over V3. V1 is 6.54. 6.54, tama ba? Yan, 6.54. Divide by V3, 0.8719. 6.54. 0.8719. So, 7.5. Yun yung RE. Solve natin to, yung T3. T4. T4 is equal to T3 divided by RE raised to K minus 1. So, T3 is 3135.61 degrees Rankine divided by RE 7.501 raised to K is 1.4 minus 1. Air standard naman yan. (3135.61) divided by 7.501 raised to 0.4. The answer is 1,400. 0.472 degrees Fahrenheit. Meron na tayong T4. How about P4? P4, wag ko na dito isolve. Meron na kasi tayong T4 and V4. V4 is equal to V1 eh. Which is 6.54 feet cube. So, P4, gamitin na natin yung PV is equal to MRT. So, this is MRT4 divided by V4. So, M, nasolve natin yung M. 0.499 4997 pound multiplied to R. 0 tuloy. Multiply to R, that is 53.34 feet pound per pound degree Rankine. Multiply to T4, 1,400.472 degrees Rankine. Divide by V4. V4 is, V4 is 6.54 feet cube. Okay, multiply ko dito ng 144 inch squared per 1 foot squared. Yung conversion factor. We cancel all the same units. So, pound, feet. Tapos yung feet squared, maging inch squared na lang yan. R. So, pound per inch squared PSI. So, 0.4997 times 53.34 times 1,400.472 divided by 6.54 times 144. The answer is pressure for P4 is 39.63 or 64 PSI. So, meron na tayong T4 and P4. Check. Heat rejected. Mhm. So QR. MCV T4 minus T1. M is 0.4997 pound multiplied to CV, that is 0.171 BTU per pound degree Rankine. T4 is 1,400.472 minus 530 degrees Rankine. We cancel all the same units again. Yung R, pound and pound. Ang lalabas is BTU. Okay. 0.4997 times 0.171 times 1,400.472 minus 530. So that is equal to 74.381 BTU. Very basic. QR. Check na natin. Yun ang na-solve natin. Network of the cycle, basic lang yan. Network. That is QA minus QR. This is 188 minus 74.381 BTU. So the answer is, minus na lang natin 188. 113.62 BTU. That is the network of the system. How about the efficiency? Oh, basehan muna natin yung work net over QA. So 113.62 divide by QA na 188 times 100%. Divide na lang natin. 188 times 100. The answer is 60.44%. Check naman natin using our RC and RK. So easy. Unahin natin. Auto, 1 minus 1 over RK raised to K minus 1. Tapos, magiging diesel na siya. Lagyan natin ng RC sa taas, minus 1. Divide by RC, minus 1. Kapag taas, nasa taas yung K. Kapag baba, nasa baba yung K. So, this is 1 minus 1 over RK is 15. Check na natin kung 15 yung RK niya. Or 7.5. Ayun, 15 nga. 15 raised to 1.4 minus 1. Tapos, K. RC, nasolve na ba natin? RC is equal to V3 over V2. V3 is 0.8791. 0.8719. Yung V2, ano ba yung V2? V2. 0.436. So, 0.8719. 0.436. Doble yung dot. The answer is 1.997 o dito. Compression ratio niya to. Random mo rin eh. So, K. So, 2 minus 0.4 taas minus 1 over 2 times 2 minus 1. Ay, K pala. 1.4, 2 minus 1. And then multiply natin buo ng 100%. Check nga natin kung magiging katulad nitong 60.44. So, bracket 1 minus 1 over 15 raised to 0.4 na lang. Multiply natin ng 2 raised to 1.4 minus 1. 2 raised to 1.4 minus 1 divided by 2, hindi, 1.4 so 1. Uy, ba't nag-iba? Ganun. 2 minus 1. Tama bang ginawa ko dito? Nag-iba siya. Tama naman. V2, V1. RC. Cut of V2, V1. Let me pause. So, i-correct natin to ha. Correct natin. I mistakenly have it ganito. Dapat ganito lang siya. Tanggalin natin tong bracket. Ayan, para madali. Andito yung kanyang parenthesis. Ito yung pag-multiply mo yung dalawa. Ayan. I mistook it. Ayan. Kakamali din, sorry. Yan yung buo. So, correct na yan sa susunod. Dito pala dapat. Okay? Ayan, dapat ganyan. So, ganito. Ayan. So, 60.37%. So, yun na yung kanyang sagot. And that will be yung problem for diesel cycle. 2 more after this.